Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. And today we're here with the Kroger ad preview. Yay! Love the ad preview videos. I know a lot of you really enjoy these. Now, it is a lot of people get really annoyed with these ad previews, and because I talk too much or I don't do the film right enough or blah blah blah, things like that. So I've actually developed a new thing called a Kroger Quick Flip, which is basically a much shorter video, which is just the ad set to music. You can study it, go through it, do what you want to do with the ad. It's just pictures, and you can look at that very quickly. This is where we all get down to business. We talk it out. We talk about this ad, and that's kind of what our video is right here. But I know a lot of people do like the concept of Quick Flip better, so I've started doing both. So if you don't want to hear me talk and give matchups, and you just want to go look at the ad, go watch the Quick Flip video, because you get done a whole lot quicker than this. Or watch them both if you want to. But I also think the Quick Flip is good because it is a quick reference, so you don't have to sit and watch the whole ad preview. If you just want to look at the ad, the Quick Flip is a really quick reference to double check prices and stuff. So, yeah. Alright, so we have 97 cents a pound for peaches, which is a great price. I thought it was cheaper on the back. We'll have to see them. I think there's another one too. 88 cents for avocado. $2.97 for 3 pounds of the seedless mandarins. That's good. $2.97 for boneless chuck roast. $5.99 for ribeye steaks, a pound. That's crazy. 4 for $12 for Pepsi. 4 for $5 for the Little Debbie's. That's a great deal. $14.99 for some liquor. And I said it in the meal video. Meat sales fluctuate each week. So I knew ground beef would be on this week because last week was chicken. So it fluctuates each week. 88 cents for the half gallons of milk. We also have buy 5, save 5 now. So let's move on to mega sale. $1.99 for the Kraft cheese. And this is like such a good deal right here. And I missed it on Wednesday. I don't understand how I missed it. But the Dunkin' Donuts creamer is $1.79. And Ibotta has $1.50 back. So 29 cents. Yeah, that's insanity right there. That's insane. Don't want to miss that deal. And then $1.49 for the Betty Crocker fruit snacks. Friday, Saturday deal. We have $4.77 for some salmon. I think it's salmon. 99 cents for the Kroger cheese. That is epic right there. And then $3.99 for the Gatorade. Now, Kroger's doing a BOGO sale, which I love the BOGO sales. Those are always really fun. They are so much better than those 5X digitals. I hate those 5X digitals. I'm happy with that, honestly. But anyways, they have me really, really confused because right now, Viva paper towels are on our buy 5, save 5 for $5.49. Here they have them buy one, get one free. So how's that going to work, Kroger? Is it going to be $5.49 and then buy one, get one free? Because if that was really the case, I would be so happy. So happy. Because that'd be like $2.50 a pack, and then we have $1 off coupons. It'd just be like glorious, but I don't think there's any way they're going to do that. But that's something to check out on Wednesday. All right, and then we have Breyers. I could have swore Breyers was on mega sale too, but I don't know. Buy one, get one free. Sara Lee bread, buy one, get one free. Simple Truth chicken breast, buy one, get one free. And some 7-Up, Coke, and Pepsi packs, buy one, get one. And we'll have specific prices on Wednesday. There'll be a lot more included in that. And there we have the 49-cent Kraft barbecue sauce on the mega sale, and then $5.49 for the Cottonelle on the mega sale. And we have Cottonelle coupons too from a couple weeks ago's inserts. I forgot to mention that. I'm sorry. Okay, $2.99 for Orlando Lakes. That's a pretty good deal. $1.88 for the Lay's and the Smart Food. I've seen $1 off 2 Peelies on the Smart Food at Walmart and Kroger. So that'd be a really great deal. Like, they were literally plastered at my Kroger. $5.99 for those Stouffer's family-sized meals. $2.99 for the Powerades, the Ice Mountain, and the vitamin waters. Okay, there we have Haagen-Dazs and Ben & Jerry's for $2.99. And then the Yasso is $2.99. Amy Harrington told me about this. Thank you, Amy. Amy H. I know I talk about Amy's all the time. There's Amy Stotts and there's Amy Harrington, who always are keeping me in the loop on deals. So thanks to both of them. The Yasso is $2.99, $1 off coupon on their site, so you can utilize, which is awesome. And there's a $1 Ibotta, so 99 cents. Awesome deal. $2.99 for the LaCroix and Zevia, $1.99 there. I'm sorry, I don't know why that's so small print. For the Blue Diamond almond milk and the Maltimilk cereal, so $1.99 there. 99 cents of the goldfish, and then the Santa Cruz is 99 cents, and somebody, I am so sorry, I don't remember who sent that, because I don't ever want to not tell who sent, but someone said there was $1 off to Peely, and so the Santa Cruz would be 49 cents, and then that Kellogg's Fruit Snacks are 99 cents. We have that coupon for $1 off too from the 728 or 726 Retail Me Not, so 49 cents. Cascadian and Honest Kids are $1.99. The Cascadian Farms is $1 off to printable. I have in the description box below, making them $1.49. And then we have, sorry, I'm answering a text. We have Keebler and Club Crackers, $1.99. $3.99 for the Jimmy Dean, the Freshetta, and Jose Olay. $1.99 for the Eckerd smoked sausage. That is a price increase. That actually was $1.49 last week. And then it got cut off there. But oh wait, I can tell you. The Bar S lunch meat is $5.79. The Adelo's sausage is $3.99. And then the private selection ham is $6.49 a pound. That's ridiculous. That's not even worth mentioning. I'm just waiting on it. Last week I got a comment. Someone was really mad because I said Kroger had a bad price. They were like, "You're so entitled. Kroger doesn't owe you a deal every week," and they were really mad at me because I said something was a bad price. So that's, yep, if you hate me for saying something's a bad price, I apologize. Alright, so we have the Head & Shoulders for $4.99. Don't think we have any coupons for that. Pampers $7.99. Deodorant $3.49. The Tide Simply there is $1.99, and then we have the $1 off coupon actually coming in tomorrow's paper, so it makes it 99 cents. Jif 2 for $3 is an awesome deal. Right there, buy one, get one on the Kroger spices. That's great. And then buy one, get one free on the Curly's ribs or the pork. They always do that. I don't know why they always do that. Okay, liquor again, and then on Buy 5, Save 5. This app is very oddly laid out, so I'm sorry that I have to keep rehashing it. It's $4.99 for the Starbucks. Alright, here, $4.99 for some Tide. We have $2 coupons in the P&G, but who cares? $1.77 for the Fritos, and then the General Mills and Post cereal actually appear to have come down. They're $1.49 now. So use any of your coupons. I know we've been getting their cereal all the time. Let me look up the coupons. We got $1 off. Oh, we're getting coupons tomorrow for 1 off 3. We did have some $1 off 2s from the sub that ends today. I'm checking Clip to Save. Why would Clip to Save have a coupon up for something that ended a long time ago? All right, from the 728 Smart Source. So it makes those 99 cents, which is a great price. Great price for cereal. Awesome deal. All right, so now we have produce. So there is some peaches that are 87 cents a pound. Those were nectarines, I think, but the peaches are 87 cents a pound, which is a great price for peaches. We have $2.49 for 2 pounds of bagged. Why would anyone do that? Why would you $2.49 for 2 pounds if you get them in a bag? That's $1.24 a pound. Why would you not just bag them yourself for 87 cents? But I'm sure there's people who don't care. Organic peaches $1.99, plums $1.49, Honeycrisp. Oh, I love Honeycrisp apples. Oh my gosh, I didn't think they were coming back. I thought that was. Oh, they're only in the fall, aren't they? There is no apple like Honeycrisp, I swear. If you're still watching at this point, let me know in the comments. This is really random. Do you have a preferred apple flavor? If they don't have Honeycrisp, I've been getting Gala, but I don't know. Nothing does it like Honeycrisp. Honeycrisps are so good. So we also have some more deals down here. $1.49 a pound for the chicken leg quarters. Okay. Buy one, get one free on the Margaritaville shrimp. So that's it for our Kroger ad this week. There are quite a few good things in here. Like I said, I don't know what's up with that BOGO sale on the Viva. If any of you have any idea what the world that's about, like why would it be BOGO when it's already on mega sale? Are they going to take it off the mega sale? I don't know. That's an odd one. I can't say I've really ever run into that. I have seen it once, though. There was some baby lotion that was buy one, get one. And it said it was on the mega event, but I just don't think Kroger would do that with the Viva. But we'll see. We'll check it out on Wednesday. So, yeah, that's all I have for now. I hope you all enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching.
It's not a game.